I am is the abbreviation of the word I am. We use I am when we say something about ourselves, or we use I am to say that we are doing something right now. Interrogative sentences. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Am I making sense? Am I making sense? Am I boring you? Am I boring you? Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest? What am I to do now? What am I to do now? Who do you think I am? Who do you think I am? Am I making myself clear? Am I making myself clear? How old do you think I am? How old do you think I am? Negative sentences. I am not a teacher. I am not a teacher. I am not getting involved. I am not getting involved. I am not a morning person. I am not a morning person. I am not certain about that. I am not certain about that. I am not concerned with this. I am not concerned with this. Present continuous tense. Sentence structure. Subject plus am plus verb plus ing plus object. I am going to study. I am going to study. I am leaving next week. I am leaving next week. I am playing volleyball now. I am playing volleyball now. Be quiet while I am speaking. Be quiet while I am speaking. I am taking a bath now. I am taking a bath now. I am just going for a walk. I am just going for a walk. I am talking with him. I am talking with him. I am dying for a cold drink. I am dying for a cold drink. I am going to buy a new car. I am going to buy a new car. I am willing to help you. I am willing to help you. Daily use sentences. I am 19 years old. I am eating an apple. I am a stranger here. I am afraid to go. I am the same age. I am taller. I am a teacher. I am terribly hungry. I am in London. I am sure. I am a boy. I am a man. I am ready. I am tall. I am happy. I am doubtful of his success. I am the fastest runner. I am familiar with your name. My son is taller than I am. He is stronger than I am. I am able to drive a car. I am about to live here. I am happy to hear your voice. I am glad to be with you. I am never at home on Sundays. I am interested in music. I am the tallest in our class. I am no longer a child. I am here on business. I am familiar with his music. I am tired of my work. I am afraid of bears. I am able to read English. I am near the station. I am never free on Sundays. I am too tired to run. I am interested in swimming. I am very dangerous. I am ready to follow you. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.